Good morning, kids. How are you? Hope you're fine. So today let's go on with the alphabet, with the English alphabet, and today we're gonna study letter H, letter H, letter H. So we have the pronunciation. So the pronunciation is H. Repeat after me, H. What about the sound? So this letter doesn't have any sound and it's called mute letter. So we have just the pronunciation H. I will show you how to write it and I will send you all the worksheet by email with Arianna and on the CISO app. Bye bye. So kids, as you can see, we have the capital H and the small h. Now I will show you how to trace it first and how to write it. So first we do like this, then we do like this, and the other one. It's simple. And here the small one, so this is the capital one, the small h, first this, then like this here. So now let's try it by ourselves. First one, then in the middle here, and then like this. Okay, the small one,